Hello! Ag Easy works with agricultural customers to help you save energy. The program, offered through the Public Purpose Programs or PPP charge on your utility bills, provides your business with energy audits, technical assistance, web-based energy monitoring, and more. Contact our team to learn how to take advantage of these benefits. In this video, you'll learn about livestock ventilation systems and how to identify energy-saving opportunities to operate them efficiently and lower your energy bills. There are two approaches to maintain suitable living conditions for livestock indoors, either passive or mechanical strategies. It is likely that your building utilizes both passive and mechanical ventilation. We will review both approaches, their pros and cons, and opportunities for increasing your system's efficiency. Let's begin by reviewing passive ventilation strategies. The design of your livestock building is the key component for passive ventilation. There are three main livestock building designs that incorporate passive ventilation strategies: small housing units, open front buildings, and modified open front buildings. Small housing units have solid floors covered with bedding and include calf hutches, individual farrowing houses, and portable shelters for swine. Due to their small size, livestock are required to have access to an outdoor exercise area. Open front buildings can have either slotted floors for large cattle or solid floors that are sometimes heated and covered in bedding. Open front buildings provide consistent access to the outside lot. Finally, modified open front buildings allow for the sidewalls to be opened in the summer and closed in winter. Insulation on modified open front buildings can either be light for dairy, beef, and sheep, or heavy for gestation swine. All three building types provide passive ventilation by creating a pressure gradient across the building and a temperature differential with the outside environment. Additionally, all three should have proper insulation and a roof with openings or vents at the eaves and ridge to allow warm air to exit. To account for seasonal changes, ventilation on the sides of a livestock building should be adaptable to the conditions. For example, on a cool winter day, ventilation on the sidewalls should be opened as little as possible to ensure indoor circulation of warm air. However, on a warm summer day, sidewall vents should be opened as much as possible, up to a third or half of each sidewall, to ensure proper cross-flow of air. When designing vents, ensure adjustable eave and ridge vents are 25 to 50% larger to provide sufficient airflow on winter days when sidewalls are shuttered. Additionally, for passive ventilation to be most effective, it is important to find the best location for the livestock building. Ensure there are no trees or other large structures that may limit the airflow to the building. Placing the building at the highest location on your property will provide more access to necessary winds and have the added benefit of suitable drainage. Orienting the long axis of the building on the east-west axis and the open side to the south will provide shade during the summer months and block cool northern winds in the winter. Often, passive ventilation is unable to maintain suitable conditions for livestock during inclement weather. You will likely need to install mechanical ventilation equipment to support your passive strategies. Let's review mechanical ventilation strategies and how to improve the efficiency of your equipment. The primary pieces of equipment used in mechanical ventilation are fans and thermostats. Ventilation fans can range in size from 24 inches to over 50 inches, depending on the requirements for the space. However, these fans can use a significant amount of energy, up to 61% of total power in poultry and pig operations. Thermostats provide information to the livestock farmer or to the fan's control system, allowing for adjustment when needed. The best way to reduce power draw is to appropriately size and install the most efficient fans for your space. The recommended minimum efficiency for a ventilation fan greater than 36 inches is 20 CFM per watt. Reference your fan's manufacturer specification sheet to ensure they meet or exceed this recommendation. Another great way to improve efficiency is to install one large fan instead of several small fans and add a variable speed drive or VSD. Using temperature set points, the fan speed will adjust as needed. Because ventilation fans follow the affinity laws, a fan running at 80% speed will only be using about 55% power. Finally, ensure fans are operating at optimal conditions by routinely cleaning dust and debris off motor and blades, replace worn belts with cogged belts, and add discharge cones. Fans with discharge cones operate up to 25% more efficiently than fans without. You can improve livestock husbandry, energy efficiency, and profit margins by ensuring your livestock buildings are effectively ventilated. It starts with designing your livestock building as efficiently as possible, with fence on sidewalls and in the roof, orienting the building on an east-west axis, and appropriate insulation. Enhancing ventilation with mechanical strategies is most efficient when using properly sized fans, installing a VSD, and maintaining equipment health. For more information about potential incentives or to schedule a free energy audit with the Ag Easy team, contact us today or visit our website ag-easy.com.